Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, I'll share how to get big roses in a large number in my garden. You can see there are lots of roses, and that are too big in size and too large in number. You can see, and I'll divulge the nursery secret today. How I got this so many flowers in a healthy condition, but last 2 3 days it is continuously raining, so that is why the flowers are stooping. But if there is no rain, then you will see energetic and beautiful flowers. You can see big around 4-inch diameter of flowers. You can see each and every flower they have stooped down due to the heavy rain. But now I'll tell you the secret behind these big flowers and large number. What I did, you can see the flower size and flowers numbers here, and I pruned it 1.5 months back, and I applied some fertilizer. There are some videos in my channel how I pruned the plants in the October, end of October, and this is the now mid of December, and you can see the huge flowering in my plants, and this is the starting. And after 10 or 15 days you will see the number will increase around twice or thrice. You can see the flowers, and this just starting blooming, and now you will see the things. And this is the red flower around more than 4 inch in diameter and beautiful flowers. Now I'll tell you what I have applied here. Firstly, I have applied some rose food. This is very common. You can get easily from any of the nursery or any of the garden store. This contains lots of humic acid, fulvic acid, bone meal, some seaweed extract, and so many things that are needed for rose flower blooming. And if you apply 10 to 20 gram each in after 10 to 12 days, and you will see the amazing results of the rose food. If you want, you can apply in pots also. And the second thing I'll tell you, the plants need lots of root and healthy roots, and they uptake the nutrients from the soil. And this is the huminal gold. This contains lots of humic acid, fulvic acid, amino acid, and micronutrients, lots of things, and may apply 2 gram per 2 ml per liter. If you apply once in 10 days or 15 days, the plants will be very healthy, and the plants will be very green. The leaf foliage will be very green. If the plants foliage are very green and dark, then the flower will be beautiful, and the flower will stay for a longer period. Now the third item I'll tell you, this is very common. This is Epsom salt. This contains magnesium. You can easily get from any of this chemist shop, and if you apply 2 gram per liter, mix it, and you can apply foliar spray of this Epsom salt, or if you want, you can drench the soil also, and you will see there will be huge growth of the plant, and as a result there will be enormous number of buds. And as the number of buds will increase, and the bud size will be bigger size buds, and the flowers will be beautiful flowers. So if you apply Epsom salt, this is also very nice. And another thing I tell you, this is the Super Sonata. I recommend you. This is the plant growth PGR, plant growth regulator. This is contains lots of lots of insecticidal property as well as plant growth regulator, and this promotes the healthy growth of plants. If the plant is a very small and the flower not flowering, maybe the plant size maybe is 6-inch or 8-inch height, and this is not flowering. If you want to boost up the flowering, you can apply this Super Sonata 2 ml per liter. In only 6-inch plant you can get flowers from here. This is the nursery secret. The plants nursery people are applying this Super Sonata, and they get the flower from this. Now I'll tell you some of the tricks here how to get bigger size of flower. This is the Rosarian trick. I am telling you some pruning or debudding is the beautiful trick to get big size flower. This is the best trick I'll tell you. If you planters the flowers are spent, you have to debud, you have to remove the spent flower. So many the people, what the people do, just below the bud portion they cut here and they remove here, but this is not the proper position. You have to remove the spent flower at least at the 6 inches from the base, so that 3 leaves are here. You can see there are 3. See, this is a very small, and if you cut at the top portion, then but thin and feeble stems will come out, and as a result the flower bud will be very small. You have to cut at least 6-inch below, so that from the below at least then what the new branches will come out, they will be very strong. They will be thick branches, and if the branches are thick, then there will be strong branches from there, and there will be strong buds, and the flower size will be bigger in size. So pruning, debudding or the removal of flower is the very secret thing. then you have to remove at least 6 inch or 8 inch below your from this internode portion. New branches will come out. So don't remove at the top position, just remove from the flower at least 8 inch below, so that there should be big size flower. And this is the ala. I think this is the stock root position. The plants are stems are coming out. You have to remove the stock root position plant. They will uptake all your nutrients from the plant, and they will kill of the grafted portion. So you have to remove this rootstock portions plants from there, so that the plant can get in a enormous amount of sufficient amount of nutrition, and as a result the flowers will be bigger and bigger size. Now I show you some of this flower that I have here. Some, this is the flowers, and this is the flower size I tell you, and this is the starting, and after 10 to 15 days you will see bigger and bigger flowers here. And I'll show you some of these birds here. This is another flower I'll show you, and the birds is around more than 1.5 inch size, and the flowers are big in size. Lots of birds you can see. So if you apply all these 4 and 5 days, and your plants will be very, very healthy, and you can get enormous number of flowers, and that too in very, very big sizes flowers. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.